I assume you own a retail store and you're looking to get a business loan. Getting a business loan for any business can be challenging and difficult. In this video, I'm going to share exactly how to get a business loan for your retail store, how to get approved, and more importantly, actually get funded. So stay tuned. So there isn't a one-size-fits-all answer to this question, but I'll explain what I mean by that just shortly. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share how you can access to over 75 different lenders and get matched with the right one for your retail business. So the reality is there's many different business financing options available today, which is a great thing. As a business owner, there's different options, but as a business owner, it can be really confusing and fatiguing to have to shop around from lender to lender to lender. For the most part, for typical retail stores, going to a bank is just not an option. One, it's time consuming, it's challenging. You need to have next to perfect credit. You need to show major profitability, and most banks are going to want to see some sort of real estate collateral or big assets, which most typical retail stores just don't have. You know, if you look at every business, every retail store across the country, usually they're leasing the space that they're in, so they don't have any real estate collateral. And if they do have real estate collateral, usually there's a mortgage attached to that, which again, you wouldn't be able to use that for your bank financing. So there are a number of different lenders that are out there, and really the minimum criteria that you're gonna need is at least 1 year time in business. Certain business lenders do focus on your personal credit, and some don't, and just focus on your business and your cash flow. Obviously, if you have excellent personal credit, that's always a good thing. There are some lenders that if you've sacrificed your credit building your business, that will look past that, which is really good to know. And don't worry, you're not alone. Every business owner sacrifices their credit in building their business. So what you'll need is about a 1 year time in business and at least doing around $100,000 or so in gross annual sales. Again, that's the bare minimum. The more that you're doing in sales, the more money you'll most likely get approved for. So if you're doing, $1 million a year in sales or $2 million a year in sales or even more, the higher you're doing in sales will usually correlate to your approval size. So typically nowadays, in order to get approved for anything up to about $100,000 to $150,000, all you'll need to do is complete a simple digital application, and most lenders will want to look at the last 3 to 6 months of your bank statements to understand your current and recent cash flow. If you're looking for more than $150,000, you'll need everything I just mentioned, plus your year-to-date and last year's financials. So your profit and loss and balance sheet statements. But that's only if you're looking for over $150,000. If it's under $150,000, there are a number of different options. Some of those options include term loans, which typically go out to 2 to 3 years. Small business loans, which will go out to anywhere from 12 to 24 months. And then there's some really great revolving credit line options that are available. There's also merchant cash advances that are available, which a lot of people say, oh, I don't want that. But for a retail business, if you have seasonality and sales that fluctuate, those actually can be good options. The cost of those have come down tremendously. What's really cool about those, the ones that are through your credit card sales, is they take a percentage of sales and actually fluctuate with your sales. A lot of people don't offer these anymore or don't talk about them, and a lot of business owners think that those are high cost. But sometimes now those can actually be less expensive and also not tie you down to a specific payment. Again, there's a ton of different options that are available. Each option can be good or bad for your business. It really just depends on what your need is and what you're looking to get accomplished. What's really important here, and it's something that I share with business owners, is it's super important that you're going to work with a company that offers multiple options and not just one. There's a lot of lenders out there that you can go through directly, but they only offer their one product, and everyone's incentivized to sell you that one product regardless of what your need is. So what's more important in this whole video, and I hope it really resonates, is that you work with someone that can offer and explain the different options and provide those different options to you. Because your need and your business is different from the retail store that's down the street. So everyone's opportunity, everyone's needs are different and what they're looking to get accomplished with financing. So make sure you can work with a company that can talk to you and explain all those different options, let you know what you'll most likely get approved for, and sometimes it's important to understand what you're not gonna get approved for so you don't waste time. So as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I was gonna share how you can get access to the right lender. Back in 2007, I created my company, National Business Capital and Services. And we built out this amazing platform that has over 75 different lenders on it. And what we do is we have awesome technology and really awesome knowledgeable people that understand all the different lenders out there and the guidelines of each lender. What we do is we have a simple conversation with you, understand what your need is. Through really talented people and really great technology, my company matches you with the right lender for your need. And we can do this in a matter of minutes and hours. Check out the link below in the description to speak with one of my team members and get matched with the right financing for you and your business. Thanks for tuning in to Grow by Joe, and I wish you nothing but success in your business.